Tracking open deals and close dates in one view is crucial for managing your pipeline effectively and staying on top of your sales process. Today, I'm going to show you how to do just that, and we'll even look at a software solution that lets you visualize everything in one glance. Stick around till the end for an exclusive offer on a tool you can use to track your deals and close dates more easily. Now, the first thing you'll want to do is find a tool that allows you to customize your sales pipeline. Many popular software platforms give you the option to build custom views or dashboards. If you've been through some of the most popular tools, you've probably seen how they break down deals by stage or status, but let's focus on what matters here. Tracking open deals and the expected close dates. You'll want to use a calendar or a timeline view for this so that all the key data is displayed in a way that makes it easy to follow. Open deals should be listed clearly, and alongside each deal, you need to see the close date so you're never left guessing when things are supposed to close. Look for a software that allows you to set due dates for each deal and automatically populates the pipeline view. Once you have your tool, make sure you're using filters and tags to categorize deals based on their stage. This way, you can easily see which deals are close to closing and which ones need more attention. You don't want to waste time scrolling through unrelated deals when you're trying to keep track of your open opportunities. This software also allows you to color code your deals, so you can quickly glance at your pipeline and know where to focus. You might want to assign one color for deals closing within the next week, another for those closing within the next month, and so on. This color-coded visual will save you time when you're managing multiple deals and can give you a quick snapshot of what's coming up. Don't forget that you can also set reminders within the software. These reminders will alert you as a deal approaches its closing date, ensuring nothing slips through the cracks. You'll want to set your notifications so that they remind you a few days before the deal is due to close, and even on the day, just to be sure you're prepared. If you've been struggling with different software tools and juggling multiple spreadsheets or views, this one software solution will give you everything in one place. It keeps your open deals front and center, and by linking them directly to their close dates, you'll have a streamlined, organized way of tracking your sales pipeline. And the best part, you get to see everything in one view. This way, you're always on top of what's happening and can take immediate action when needed. So the key takeaway from this video is to use a custom view or dashboard that ties your open deals to close dates. Look for a software solution that gives you filters, custom tags, and color-coded options to make managing your pipeline easier. Don't forget to check out the exclusive free trial for the software I'm recommending. It's only available to viewers of my channel, and it'll allow you to follow along with the steps I've shown today. Click the link in the description below to get started. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.